it looks like it might be getting ready to rain. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace a check valve on your pool. Last night, when our pump wasn't running, as you can see, the water level in our spa went down. It was because of the check valve. This check valve is 3 years old, and it's time to replace it. So I'm Jay, this is Jay's How-To channel.
We'll hide away all of our secrets.
Please make sure to take pictures of the check valve with your phone so you get it in the proper orientation. Let's start by removing the 8 screws on the check valve. Now, let's pry up the check valve with my fancy little pocket knife. This pocket knife's really cool. It's got a flat blade screwdriver with a bottle opener. If you're looking to purchase one of these check valves, I have a link in the description below the video. As you can see, the gasket's all squished along the top here. Now I'm removing the O-ring. Make sure you replace the O-ring for your check valve. It practically looks invisible. I'm coming in with some silicone grease. I also have this listed in the description. Make sure you get all the surfaces properly lubricated. Then lubricate the gasket on the check valve. Remove the O-ring from the perimeter of the clear plastic cover. Then lubricate the O-ring. Oh look, it's starting to rain. Let's hurry up so I can get out of the rain. Reattach the O-ring to the clear plastic cover. Clean all the debris off the surface. Then make sure you get the proper orientation for the check valve. Review the photos you took. There's an arrow on the clear surface pointing in the direction of the water flow. So now, let's get these screws in so we don't cross-thread them. Let's start by screwing them backwards, and you can feel when the screw drops. You can see this in slow motion when the screw drops. Okay, let's get all 8 screws back in. You don't want to cross-thread the plastic with a power tool. Just use a hand screwdriver. Okay, let's tighten up all the screws and get out of the rain. Okay, now that I've got the check valve in place overnight, look how the spa hasn't leaked past the check valve. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end, you guys. It really helps support my channel.
I'll wait for you in the darkness. There's no stopping us right now.